Do you or your clients struggle to complete physical rehabilitation programs? Or do you have that one injury from a long time ago that still bothers you? Poor rehab adherence is one of the biggest challenges faced by physios and clients, as finding motivation and incentive to complete exercises can be very difficult. This is a big problem as it leads to chronic and reoccurring injuries that plague people for years after their injuries were inflicted. Rehabilitation is unappealing, and in the case of athletes, it completely removes them from their habitual and social lives without appealing to their competitive mindset. Here's what they had to say about it.
Yeah, I rarely finish them just because I find them a bit boring, so...
I just get sick of it and I'd just rather risk play.
It was quite lonely missing training or standing on the sidelines by yourself. I kind of felt like I had to go back.
So how can we improve the rehabilitation experience? Rehabit is the Duolingo of rehab. This means that we gamify difficult tasks in order to achieve better results. This is done by implementing short-term goals and friendly competition to appeal to the brain's reward system and the competitive nature of users. Rehabit is made up of two parts, the smart mirror and the app. To use Rehabit, the user first approaches the Rehabit smart mirror and pairs using the mobile application. The user is then guided through their prescribed program as the mirror tracks their movement using the computer vision sensor and Rehabit's machine learning software. Feedback is displayed on the screen located behind the reflective mirror surface. Using the Rehabit app, the user can track their recovery process. Within the app, the data gathered by the smart mirror is translated into points. Extra points are rewarded to users who complete rehab on consecutive days. A recovery schedule is also generated, which shows checkpoints that the user can work towards. Within the app, users can join competitive leaderboards with their respective clubs or groups. This keeps injured players involved with their team while abstaining from play by competing in a different way, as well as creating social contracts as incentive to complete rehab every day. The user's physiotherapist has access to all of their recovery data and can use this to update their program remotely, cutting down on the amount of face-to-face sessions needed. Rehabit leads to an improved rehabilitation adherence rate as shown by a short pilot experiment consisting of 4 users over 2 weeks. The adherence rate was improved from 35% to 75%. This framework provides users with increased involvement in their clubs and can even be used as a prehabilitation tool as a preventative approach to injury. The mirror itself is designed with circular design principles at its core. This makes the product much more sustainable. Rehabit is still undergoing continued development, and I'm open to any discussions about the future of the project. A 3D movement library is being developed using the same machine learning approach the product is currently using. This library will be protected as IP and can be leased or sold to other companies as well as being used within Rehabit. As mobile phone sensors and AI improves, the goal is to create a single Rehabit app using the aforementioned 3D movement library. This will eliminate the need for the currently necessary mirror and make the product available to everybody through their mobile phone. Rehabit can also be integrated into existing physiotherapy apps as an extension to their service. This is a beneficial approach as these softwares are already part of physiotherapy workflows. This has been Rehabit, and thank you all for watching.